I dey for VI now for Lekki side. See, if you know you are coming from Ajah Exit, you are coming from Ajah Exit and you are going to Lekki, or you are going to VI, or you dey go mainland. Baba, no road oh, no road. Traffic is too much oh. I left since around 12. Look at the time. I'm just getting to VI now. I'm just getting to Lekki. I thought they reach now. I reach here by 5 oh. No road oh, no road oh, no road. No road oh. No say I not tell you. No say I not tell you. No road everywhere blocked. No road, no road. No say I not tell you.